Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix broken links on Wix. This is important for keeping your website running smoothly, as well as improving your user experience and avoiding errors that can affect your SEO. On your Wix editing dashboard, to fix broken links, all we need to do is click on Pages or go to the Visual Sitemap. Here, we can arrange the pages according to the main pages. Once that's done, go back to your pages. If a page is not linked properly, just click the three dots and then go to SEO Basics so we can fix the link. For a contact page, just link it to the contact URL. Then we will assign it to the correct link. Decide where you want to place this link. Here, we just need to link it to the home page. These are the subpages of the home. For the privacy page, go to SEO Basics. Then edit the URL and decide where you want to place it. Think about where you want to put this. For the main pages, just arrange each one individually. That's how we fix broken links on Wix. With these simple steps, we can keep our website clean, functional, and user-friendly.